Hello, folks. Richard Fontaine here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it. And I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Welcome to Kids Colouring Pages with PLR, a huge collection of 1,000 done-for-you kids colouring images with PLR rights. This is a done-for-you PLR pack created from scratch by our team with unique colouring images that you can turn into books and start making money online with as soon as today. Here's what you get with this done-for-you PLR pack. 1,000 kids colouring pages with PLR rights. You get instant access to 1,000 kids colouring pages created from scratch by our professional team of experts. You can use these colouring pages in many ways, such as sell as is, turn into books, or do anything else you want. All the images are fully resizable. You can add those images into any page size you want, and you can resize them if needed, so it's very easy to edit and create a new colouring book with it. All the images come in PNG files in HD quality, and all the images have been created from scratch by our team, so yes, they're all unique and brand new for 2024. We cover a variety of topics that kids love: dinosaurs and prehistoric, superheroes, animals, outer space, enchanted forest, ancient civilizations, fairy tales, monsters and aliens, pirates and treasure maps, robots and technology, and much, much more. It's the biggest collection of colouring images ever released to our market, and the best part, it comes with PLR. Unlike some offers you may see promising to make you thousands with a click of a button, this is a real tangible asset, and they'll only set you back just over 1p each. Done for you, ready to go. With PLR, this means they become your product to do what you like with them. But most importantly, you keep every penny you make. With 1,000 images, just think how many colouring books you could create. Digital colouring books that have no shipping costs and can be sold over and over again without you ever needing to restock. And because we're offering a full 30 days money back guarantee, you have absolutely nothing to lose and so much to gain. So go ahead, click on the add to cart button now and take advantage of this special launch price. Do that now and let's get you started making money.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.